Is it going to be a 250? Is it going to be a 450? It's definitely a 4-stroke. This is lack of a better analogy. I am tickled pink. I can't believe this. That, man, if you were somebody that's getting into the sport right now, incredible how much attention that motocross and supercross, super motocross, world supercross is obtaining right now. Even arena cross, man, everything with all these different manufacturers. And then yet we've got Ken Roczen, who's winning races, and Suzuki still hasn't done anything. And